Hello viewers, back to Sanskriti Kolkata's YouTube video episode number 642nd video, and I'm Lalia. I'll be showing you today Tussar Georgette sarees, handloom handwoven, as well as a new variety of beautiful silk like the ones that I'm wearing. So I'll start with this Tussar Georgettes. Tussar Georgettes are in demand throughout the year. Our texture and fabric is so comfortable that we get inquiries for these fabrics every time I do an episode. When is the next Tussar episode coming? So today I'll show you exclusive variety of Tussar Georgette, because in my last trip to Banaras I picked up these lovely pieces. Little new pattern, not the regular one. This is a Rankart type weaving sari in pure Tussar Georgette. Even check out the rates. I've it's pure handloom handwoven Tussar by Georgette, pure Tussar Georgette, but accordingly the rates have been slashed. So you can see the saris. You will love the products today. Very new concepts and colors and variety today in your favorite fabric. The zari has been brushed to give it a multiple colored zari look, and this is small with big buta and a lovely palla. Last few days I've been shooting continuously, so my right shoulder is really paining a lot. So I may not be able to hold much properly. So as much as I can, I'll try to display. Pardon me if there's any inconvenience caused. So this is a cement grey color. It's a beautiful shade, especially the combination. I've made a point, the dyeing part, I was there individually to do the dye part of these sarees, because the dye में dye के साथ जो combination है, बाकी तो मेरा कारीगर लोग कर देगा, लेकिन dye अगर थोड़ा uncommon dye नहीं होता है color combination, फिर why will you select Sanskriti? So because of that, I made it a point that during the dyeing process, I was there, the dipping in the color. So this has come out to be a lovely shade of a maroon, a brownish maroon, and with the cement color all over weaving. Very pretty palla. Number 2, all these with small and big butas weaving. So in this buta, few more color options for you. Very festive shade. Even if you want to pick this for your guy hulud. Haldi is a very nice shade, very pretty shade of lemonish yellow. All these comes with a plain blouse piece with the border. Plain blouse with the border and very rich palla with a dyed end. My karigar was pretty upset when I was, dipping a raw material and then picking it up, seeing the color, if I need triple times dipping and all these things, the whole process. I'm just remembering the, the behind the scene full thing. Just it's clear in my mind, and then so beautiful it has come out. This aqua shade is also lovely. Lovely aqua shade. All the colors are new colors, and even the buttas are lovely and very rich. We've kept this Tussar Georgette a rich weave, so that especially because of the season, the wedding season and the occasions lined up. Number 4. Previously, these sarees were 18,900, but this time I picked up yarn for at least, around 338 pieces yarn I picked up, which is why I convinced the weaver to give me some special offers. So 1,000 rupees slashed. Before, these were 18,900 if you check my previous videos. This Pista Deep and Light, and the shade, you will not find these shades. It's so rare and uncommon shades. So ample stock of Tussar Georgette now in both the branches, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamil Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. The prices plus minus depending on the weave, and the butta fabric is same except for the border and the butta weave. A little change in the price may occur. This is the blouse piece. Very smart border. Pink. Victor, छोड़िए था, I don't know वाला. एक ये छोड़िए था. अच्छा, ब्लाउजটা কেন গুটিয়ে যাচ্ছে? This is the pallu part. Deep and light concept with brushing in the buttas, small and big, and new pattern. Very pretty shades. The shades is really to be noticed. 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamil Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. First come, first serve basis. Cash on delivery option in Kolkata only. Outside Kolkata via courier. Courier charges, please, you have to pay. Don't miss out the courier charges. It's mentioned in the payment details that courier charges are applicable for all shipments. And blouse stitching options and suit stitching options are also available. So we'll connect you to the tailoring department in either branch. Both the branch has the tailoring unit. So you can stitch the blouses if you want, and we can courier it. If you want to pick up from the store, most welcome. No prior appointment required. Just drop in and you can see our stock. 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. Sundays open till the first week of October. This is 16,900 small butta contrast border. Tussar Georgette, very pretty color. This shade is a burgundy color, smoky burgundy with slate. Small butta में भी हम कुछ color options आपको दिखा रहे हैं. Small butta में. This is a green tone. It's a nice military green color with again a slate color border pallu. Blouse piece. Color charts are rare colors. And in Tussar Georgette, these colors really stand out. You know, the earthy chart. Even in the earthy chart, these are very rich shades. These are not the dull ones. Very rich color combinations. Now you see this rich green. It's so beautiful. And there we have the gold blouse. इसमें कोई contrast साड़ी में नहीं है, सिर्फ पल्ला blouse. It's so lovely. How do you like this concept? This is the first time I'm showing this diagonal weave pure Tussar Georgette with a tussar color, virgin tussar color palla and blouse. This viridian green with virgin color tussar, it's just superb. Very, very pretty, very rich weave, and of course with a very lovely subtle color. This color is looking so gorgeous. Super classy sari. Leher color option. This is a peachish rust color with the aqua blouse. I'm very happy with today's collection of tussar georgettes. Few are with subtle zari. This is with a rich gold zari. सब में, लेकिन हर साड़ी बहुत प्यारा है, बहुत अनकॉमन है. वीव एकदम नया वीव है. So diagonal दिखा दिया मैंने with contrast blouse. Next comes the maroon color. Reddish maroon with again the virgin color, blouse piece and pallu. The beautiful fall of the georgette along with the richness of tussar. Two pure yarn woven into tussar georgette. Simply grand. Now we have two lovely colors hanging. One is the mustard shade. Small buttas, blouse piece. Mustard and red. I can understand सबको पसंद आएगा ये साड़ी. This combination, and ये वाला उल्टा है. This is the right side of the blouse piece. Very rich red with lovely mustard buttas all over, and this price is 17,500 tussar georgette. The second one which is hanging is the blue shade diagonal weave with tussar palla and tussar blouse piece. This combination is equally gorgeous. If you are liking the price of this, 16,900, and if you are liking our products, please do take the screenshot and WhatsApp. 76030426696 is the WhatsApp number. No phone calls. If you want to make any phone calls, you can call the number that is there in the invoice, and your invoice will be sent along with the shipment. Menswear section is in the Cornfield Road branch. Even the jewelry section is also in the Cornfield Road branch. Now this is a Rangkat dyed tussar georgette, lovely shade in a subtle mustard color with a light, what color would you say this? Lime pista type color. This is the dark virgin color. देसी टसर का जो कलर होता है ये वो आएगा, उससे एक चार डार्कर चीकू टाइप ये आएगा, ये मस्टर्ड टोन आएगा और ये पिस्ता टोन आएगा with outlines of fine weaving of turquoise. Very, very beautiful piece. Stunning achol, 19,500. One of the most stunning color combinations in tussar georgettes. And also the weave. Second color option, इसमें लेकिन आपको बहुत लिमिटेड स्टॉक है. इस वैरायटी में बहुत टाइम लगता है और ये फर्स्ट टाइम वीविंग हुआ है, सो आई थिंक इट्स कम आउट रियली रियली ब्यूटीफुल. Very, very classy. The combination is just amazing. Anywhere दिन में रात में आप पहनिए, ये एकदम आंख में सबको दिखेगा दूर से. Tussar georgettes. Sanskriti Kolkata's festive collection, hand woven, pure fabric, best to best quality. Now I'll show some bright chart, colored weaving, 3-4 colors in this with the contrast blouse piece. सब ब्लाउज पीस सिर्फ सिंस बॉडी में इतना जाल है, ब्लाउज प्लेन आएगा टू गिव द रिचनेस ऑफ द बॉडी लुक. ब्लाउज में अगर ज्यादा कुछ हो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. सो ब्लाउज वीव केप्ट इट very plain with the border, but look at the sari, color combination, सब आपको ही देखेगा साड़ी को ज्यादा. जस्ट क्या बोले, साड़ी का कॉम्बिनेशंस, कलर, दिस इज अनदर ब्यूटी. नंबर 15. सो आज आपको हमने कितना वैरायटी ऑफ वीविंग और कॉन्सेप्ट दिखा दिया एक ही फैब्रिक में. Sundays open till the first week of October. 4 days our store will be closed. I think Shoptomi, Ashtomi, Nobomi, Doshobi. But I think the Ekadashi din is Sunday. So probably that day, Sunday, of course, we will be closed in October. This is again another stunning pastel chart in ice blue, virgin tussar color and mint green. This 3 amazing shades, 3 shades all unique. How beautifully it is woven in gold zari. And here comes the achol, just absolutely stunning. Very, very rich. Very rich. Now I'll show you a new fabric, handloom sari. It's Pune silk. This is 1 thread of katan pure and 1 thread of pure satin. So mushroom type feel, but little lightweight, and it's beautiful. The silk is so comfortable. And the richness, it's dual tone. It's just amazing. Borderless. It's just an alternate of mushroom. The richness of the mushroom satin is there, and the sheen of the katan is just beautiful. 11,500. और इसमें क्या होता है ना, आपका रेंज बजट में आ जाता है. जो मशरूम का जो रेंज होता है वो तो बहुत ज्यादा होता है, सबको सब अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते हैं रेगुलर बेसिस में. तो उसका ऑल्टरनेट प्योर हैंड वोवन साड़ी, वी कॉल दिस पूना सिल्क, and it's super beautiful. Our qualities are premium quality and we have used pure yarns. Borderless, dual tone of peach and pink. So about the dual tone, you can see it from the edge that एक धागा पिंक और एक धागा पीच का है. This is the blouse piece. ब्लाउज पीस में पूरा बूटा आएगा. बहुत सुंदर प्यारा साड़ी है। Big rose stems weaving and a stunning achol. Achol is all gold weaving. Look at this, you know, those who can't even carry saris, those who like crepes and georgettes, उसका ये alternate साड़ी है सिल्क में। जिसको एकदम crepe और georgettes जैसा एकदम soft साड़ी चाहिए, very fashionable yet traditional. Look at the colors we've woven for you. Borderless, very smart. Number 20. This color is superb, the little green color. Now, मेरा साड़ी का color options. This mustard, it's in a deep and light tone concept. Even mine is a light peachish orange with a darker orange. This is a mustard, deep and light. This is so beautiful, the combination. So it's almost monotone, but the border pallu एक shade deep है. It's lovely. The gold zari is very rich. Blouse. Amazing fall it has. Silk आपका देखिए कितना सुंदर इसका fall है. हम इसको पूरा खोल रहे हैं आपके लिए. Grand. 13,900. Super piece. My sari, I just love the color. It's a peach color. You can see a dark peachish, orangish peach color with a tomato vermilion fire color blouse. It's so beautiful. It's basically a darker tone of peach. Price of this is 13,900. If you see the border जिसमें ये आप एक sleeves में या कहीं पे लगाओगे, एक तो आपका ये border है ही. देखिए जरी का border तो एक तो आपका है ही sleeves के लिए. ये बॉर्डर आप अगर बैक में लगाओगे या फ्रंट में पाइपिंग वगैरह के लिए, कितना सुंदर इसका क्वालिटी है. 13,900. This is the sari. आपको बस हम आपको जस्ट फॉल दिखा रहे हैं. और देखिए इसका प्योर सिल्क का कितना सुंदर एकदम मशरू का जो ड्रेप आता है वही ड्रेप है. 13,900. और जो माला में नेक पीस हम पहना है 5,900. 5,200 is the set price. इसमें it's a temple jewelry और इसमें स्टोन सेटिंग है ग्रीन और मजेंटा का. $5,200 is the set. और the pair of 6 bangles, दो साइड में थोड़ा ब्रॉड है और बीच में थोड़ा नैरो है. 2426, 2 sizes available. 4,500 set of 6. इसमें भी आपका स्टोन सेटिंग है. मेरा साड़ी का थर्ड कलर ऑप्शन पिंक. तो पीच दिखा दिया, ऑरेंजिश पीच, मस्टर्ड दिखा दिया. अब आ रहा है आपका पिंक. ये सब साड़ी एकदम एक्सक्लूसिव है. तुरंत बुकिंग कीजिए. नो रिपीट्स, नो प्री ऑर्डर्स. सो ये बहुत इन डिमांड है, ये ऑफ द रैक बहुत जल्दी चला जाता है। वाओ, केसर शेड, दिस इज अ केसर शेड, एकदम हल्दी टाइप का कलर, वेरी रिच with all you can see from the finishing, all handmade tassels, not tassels तो काफी कहीं टाइप का होता है, जो लोकल है वो अटैच हो जाते हैं, ये धागा का साथ ही ये टैसल बना है, yarn का tassels। Number 23, it's a beautiful shade once again। You will love the fabric, it's so comfortable and I've just, जो इसको आप पहनना शुरू करेगा ना वो क्रेप जॉर्जेट्स भूल जाएंगे। What a unique shade of green, 13,900। Total mushroom look in affordable price, pure hand woven silk fabric। Number 25, stunning combination of black with silver and gold butta, silver and gold butta with sleek silver slate border and a contrast blouse piece। This is a very stunning combination, sleek border and here goes the rich silver blouse, pallu, just superb, very very pretty sari, very pretty। इसका रेंज थोड़ा सा कम है कंपेयर टू द अदर्स, बिकॉज इसका सैटिन का यार्न कम है, सिल्क कतान का यार्न ज्यादा है, तो ये ज्यादातर कतान टाइप का ही दिखेगा। सो इट्स रेंज भी कम है इसका थोड़ा सा, और ऑफ कोर्स बॉर्डर भी नैरो है। सो प्रिटी, लुक एट दिस, जस्ट 2 lines of sleek edge and here goes the contrast blouse piece। Just those who like pure सिल्क साड़ीज पहनकर जाना हो सेमी फॉर्मल ओकेशन में, या कोई जहाँ पे आपको सारा दिन कहीं पे वर्क करना हो, घर का कोई ओकेशन है, तो ये सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड में वाइन कलर का विद अ कॉन्ट्रास्ट स्लेट ब्लाउज, प्योर सिल्क साड़ी जो 12 महीना पहनता है, ये बहुत एक सुंदर ऑप्शन है विद लीफ ब्यूटीफुल मोटिव इन सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड। कलर भी रिच है एंड पल्ला भी। बॉर्डरलेस पर्पल, अब पूना सिल्क का आज पूरा यूनिक एपिसोड, बॉर्डरलेस गोल्ड सिल्वर बूटा, अनदर स्टनिंग पीस। Those who like very fancy, fashionable, traditional sarees, butta is beautiful। butta थोड़ा बड़ा है इसलिए रेंज 1000 रुपीज 1500 रुपीज ज्यादा है। ब्लाउज भी बहुत सुंदर है, गोल्ड या सिल्वर ज्वेलरी से पहनिए, और या तो फिर बाई कलर गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर दोनों का जो ज्वेलरी होता है वैसा भी आप पहन सकते हैं। और इसका एक लवली रेड भी है। ब्लाउज पीस, हर साड़ी का फॉल बूटा कॉन्सेप्ट एकदम नया कॉन्सेप्ट है। 11,900। और आज का कलर चार्ट आपको कैसा लगा, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम टसर जॉर्जेट टू पूना सिल्क्स। सो हाउ डिड यू लाइक टुडेज कलर चार्ट ऑफ आवर हैंड वीविंग साड़ीज? डू लेट मी नो। अच्छा लगे तो सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। Join us our Facebook Live Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page And our Instagram page, Sanskriti Kolkata, regularly reels are uploaded. Tailoring unit in both the branches, video call options available. काथा दुपट्टा, स्टोल्स, कफ्तान्स, बाटिक सेट्स, बहुत सारा ऑप्शंस है हमारे यहाँ पे. प्लीज विजिट कीजिए जो कलकत्ता में. इफ यू आर इन कोलकाता, प्लीज डू विजिट आवर स्टोर. And the last one is this pink shade. No, I have another piece. This pink is also very pretty. It's a lovely shade of Abid pink, strawberry pink color with a zigzag zari weave. These are all Pune silk, and here is the satin woven mushroom border. It's very, very pretty, beautiful. Here is the blouse piece. So body में बूटा है, इसका blouse में stripe है. Very smart zigzag pattern sari. 12,500. It's lovely. Colors are very fresh and very, festive colors. And lastly, this superb. This has more of satin, so it's just like the mushrooms. Some people may mistaken it as mushroom sari. इसमें इतना अच्छा क्वालिटी और yarn है. Number 31. ये भी मेरा साड़ी का alternate border है, एक और ऑप्शन. सो कैसा लगा आज का एपिसोड जरूर कमेंट कीजिए. आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू रीडिंग और मैसेजेस. एंड साड़ी मिलने के बाद कैसा आपका फीडबैक जरूर मैसेज कीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.